Today, I want to talk about current events, not politics, not breaking news headlines that disappear tomorrow. I want to talk about the world we are living in right now, through technology, through the environment, and through social media. These three things are shaping how we think, how we communicate, how we work, and even how we feel. So let's slow down, take a deep breath, and explore what is really happening around us. Let's start with technology. Technology is moving faster than ever before. Sometimes it feels like the world updates every week. One of the biggest topics right now is artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just something in movies. It's not just robots or science fiction. AI is writing emails. AI is editing videos. AI is creating music, images, and even voices. Some people are excited. Some people are afraid. And both feelings are understandable. For example, many workers worry about their jobs. They ask questions like, will AI replace me? Will my skills still be useful in the future? This fear is not new. In the past, people feared machines in factories. They feared computers. They feared the internet. But every time, society changed, not ended. The important question is not will technology change our lives? Because it already has. The real question is, how will we adapt? For English learners, technology is actually a gift. You can learn English from podcasts like this. You can watch videos with subtitles. You can practice speaking with apps. You can listen to real accents from around the world. In the past, learning English required money, teachers, and travel. Now, all you need is curiosity and consistency. Technology doesn't remove effort. It changes how effort looks. Another big technology topic is smartphones. Let's be honest. Most of us check our phones before we even get out of bed. Notifications, messages, social media, news alerts. Our phones are powerful tools, but they can also control our attention. Many people feel more connected, but also more distracted. We can talk to anyone, anywhere, yet sometimes we feel lonely. Technology gives us speed, but it takes away silence. So here's a simple reflection question. When was the last time you were bored without touching your phone? Boredom is not bad. Boredom creates ideas. Boredom creates creativity. In a world of constant updates, choosing focus becomes a skill. Now let's talk about the environment. This topic affects everyone, even if we don't always feel it immediately. Climate change is no longer a future problem. It is a present reality. We see it in extreme weather, hotter temperatures, stronger storms, floods and droughts. Some people say, this doesn't affect my daily life. But slowly, it does. Food prices increase, water becomes less predictable, health problems increase. The environment doesn't ask for opinions. It responds to actions. What's interesting is that technology plays a double role here. On one side, technology has caused damage. Factories, pollution, overconsumption. On the other side, technology offers solutions. Renewable energy like solar and wind power, electric vehicles, smart farming, cleaner production methods. The challenge is not lack of knowledge. The challenge is behavior. We know what to do, but doing it consistently is harder. Small actions matter more than we think. Using less plastic, saving energy, choosing quality over quantity, thinking long-term instead of short-term. Environmental change doesn't happen overnight, and neither does responsibility. Now, let's connect this to social media. Social media is where technology and human behavior meet. It started as a way to connect, to share moments, to stay in touch. Today, it is also a place of comparison, pressure, and noise. We scroll endlessly. We compare our real lives to edited highlights. We measure value in likes and views. Social media shapes opinions faster than education sometimes does. Trends spread in hours. Misinformation spreads even faster. This doesn't mean social media is bad. It means it is powerful. Power without awareness is dangerous. One positive side is education. People learn languages, skills, and ideas online. Voices that were once silent are now heard. One negative side is attention. Social media rewards emotion, not truth. Anger spreads faster than calm. Drama spreads faster than facts. So as users, we must become more conscious. Ask yourself, why am I sharing this? Is this helpful? Is this true? Critical thinking is the new literacy. For English learners, social media can be an amazing classroom. You can follow creators who speak clearly, you can read comments, you can learn real expressions, not textbook English. But remember, learning happens when you engage, not just scroll. Pause the video, repeat the sentence. Write new words down. Speak out loud. Passive watching feels productive, but active practice creates results. Now let's talk about the future. People often ask, is the future going to be better or worse? The answer is simple. It depends on us. Technology will continue to grow. The environment will continue to react. Social media will continue to influence. But humans still make decisions. We choose how to use tools. We choose what to consume. We choose what values to protect. The future is not something that happens to us. It is something we participate in. Learning English is part of that participation. English is not just a language. It is access. Access to information. Access to global conversations. Access to opportunities. When you improve your English, you don't just learn words. You expand your world. Before I end this episode, I want you to remember one thing. You don't need to understand everything today. You just need to improve a little every day. Listen more. Think deeper. Choose awareness over reaction. Technology is a tool. The environment is a responsibility. Social media is a mirror. And you are the decision maker. Thank you for listening. Take care of your mind, your language, and your future. See you in the next episode.